Good morning, everybody. My name is Manmeet Chabra. I'm the business manager for Salford College, based here in Adelaide. Come and study with Salford College. Come and study commercial cookery, leading to Diploma of Hospitality Management. This has been the best time to study cookery at Salford College, as the college has happy to waive off the application fees of $350 for all international students. And moreover, you can start by paying small initial payment and carry on with making monthly payments to help you meet your financial obligations in a nice and easy way. Come and study with Salford College. This is your best chance to join one of the leaders of education in vocational market in Adelaide. See you.